Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to try making a 12-volt battery backpack. Now I am connecting the terminals of the lithium battery together. This part is simple, so I'll fast forward the video. Just connect the batteries together. Now I have connected the battery terminals. Now I will assemble the battery protection circuit and balance the batteries. I will connect the wires to the batteries. You can connect them according to this diagram. Now I will resolder the wires. I wasn't careful and let the two terminals of the battery short circuit and boom! Now I'm putting the battery backpack into the box. I used silicone sealant to create a waterproof seal and then close the lid. And now we're finished building the battery pack, although it's not perfect yet. Please leave your comments below.